Today I found something that will make the aquarium life a little bit easier. Maybe. That is the... Okay, so check this out. It's a mess of cords, I know. But look at that. Okay, check this out. See this? Watch this. See that? Now watch this. From the flip of one switch, turns all them lights on and turns all them lights off. Just one switch. And we don't have to stand on the couch or a ladder to turn that light on over there, because it's controlled on this switch. I was pretty happy when I found that, and the thought came right to me, oh, I can use this to turn on and off all my aquarium lights. Well, I thought it was pretty cool. And you never know how long it takes to turn all them lights on until you have to turn all them lights on and you're in a hurry because you woke up late or something. Now that's good. I can turn all the lights on and off by flipping one switch. Pretty cool.